welcome back to Miss Bree Reads. I'm Miss Bree, and this week we have a new story. The author writes the story, the illustrator draws the picture. We got the front off, we got the back off, we got the spine. The title of the story is Race Car Dreams. Wow. Written by Sharon Crisco, illustrated by Dave Mottram. Race Car Dreams, written by Sharon Crisco, illustrated by Dave Mottram. The zooming has stopped. The sun's almost set. A race car is tired. He's wringing with sweat. His day has been filled with high-octane fun. He hugged all the curves. He's had a good run. He looks all around. His friends are now gone. His engine revs down. His headlights blink on. He stretches and yawns and lets out a sigh. He rolls off the track and whispers, "Goodbye." It's time for his bath. He heads to the pit. His wipers are on. He sweeps off the grit. The bubbles tickle as suds start to foam. He washes his rims and shines up his chrome. All sparkly and clean, his tummy feels strange. He lifts up his hood. It's time for a change. He guzzles and gulps each dark, oily drop. His hood slams kerplunk. Lights dim in the shop. He's sleepy and full and ready to read. He chooses a book that's all about speed. He snuggles his wrench as the moon shines bright. The little stars twinkle and dance in the night. A gentle wind blows. The air starts to chill. He turns on the heat and warms up his grill. Then toasty and warm, he burrows down deep. He closes his book and drifts off to sleep. His engine now hums. He lets out a snore. His bumpers relax and sprawl on the floor. He throttles the gas. He shifts into gear. He smiles and punches out from the rear. He zips and he zooms, sweet dreams of the race. He vrooms to the front and takes home first place. The end. And that's the end of our story, my little bookworms. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you enjoyed reading Race Car Dreams with me, check out the link in the description and we can read it together. Remember, reading is a magical adventure that could take you anywhere you want to go. So keep reading and exploring new worlds. Until next time, farewell, my friends. Subscribe and like. Comment what book you'd like to hear next.
Miss Bree Reads! Miss Bree Reads! Miss Bree Reads!
Stay curious and spread the joy.